Greetings everyone and welcome to another episode of Road to be Proficient in Python. And on today's challenge we have write a function, and the function is about the leap year. And actually it's quite special for me because it was one of the first programs that I wrote when I was in the first semester of my bachelor degree. So let's get started. So every year we don't have like 365 days. We have actually 365 days point this number 25. So every 4 years we have an extra day that we don't leave. Actually, we don't count. We leave it, but we don't count it. So and we added in the February as a 29th day. So this is a leap year, and we will make a function that we actually uh, we will not guess, we will say if a year is leap or not, depending on these three conditions. So um so the year can be even, it's a Gregorian calendar. Three conditions are used to identify leap years. So the year can be evenly divided by 4, is a leap year, unless the year can be evenly divided by 100, then it's not leap year, unless the year is evenly divided by 400, then it's a leap year. So the task, as I told you, is given a year, determined whether it's a leap year. If it's a leap year, return a boolean true. If it's not, return a false, etc., etc. Note that the code passes. So they say like we only need to write the code here, but I don't know where they call a function. I don't know. Note the code provides read and passes argument to is leap year function. It is only necessary to complete the is leap function. Okay. To read the year has some constraints. Here's the input, here's the output. It's not a multiple of 4, then it's not a leap year. So let's write the code here. First we need to check first we need to check if it's divided by 4. So if here we can do an integer. We need the mode. We will use the mode for equals and check is divided 100 here divided by 100, then it's not, I remember, false. And we forgot this here. Yeah, we need to check an n. There can be 100 unless so we have another if statement for then we need an else. If here equally divided by 10 Italy. Else, what we print for here, and then what else? Sorry. Else, else. If it's equal, we need to print true. Think. Good. Not equal. Print. We need to use it. Sorry, guys. True. False. Here we check. So we check first if here is divided is a multiple of 4. So if it's multiple of 4, we have a leap year unless it's a multiple of 100. But if it's multiple of 400, then the leap is true. And here is the big one. If it's not multiple of 4, we don't need to take it at all. Here we return the value. So we did this thing here with conditionals, and in the task says that we don't need to call the function at all. It's not necessary. So let's run a code. It passed the sample test case, and if we submit the code, please. Yeah. And it passed all the test cases, so that was it. I hope you like it. Please like the video, and seeing you in the next one.